Hey y'all, I hope y'all are having an amazing day. It is Saturday and your girl has been in the garden since early this morning, but I wanted to show you guys what I've done today and what is looking like so far. So today I actually laid this down in my garden. I got tired of using the cheap one because all the flowers kept growing up in it. So I ended up laying down an entire new one throughout the entire garden, the walking space. Then I just went and got I got 4 bags of mulch, and I put some around. You can see I didn't get enough, but that's okay. I just wanted enough so that when I'm walking, I'm not walking on just the black tarp here. So I moved my potatoes that was on the deck over here. I got some extra flowers here that I'm going to be giving to one of my neighbors. I have here my compost. I put my strawberries in here. These are my 2 fruit trees with onions around them. My sweet peas. I have moved my carrots that were over here in this space. I moved them over here as well. I still got my onions over here. This used to be that empty bucket that was sitting right there, and I actually put some wood at the bottom that I had, and then I just backfilled it with some of my soil, and that is all okra. Then I moved my tomato plant right here, and today I actually sowed some green beans. Let me show y'all. Okay, so today I sowed green beans here. This is still my corn. It is actually starting to thrive and look really good, so I'm happy about that. I'm gonna let it get just a little bigger, and then I'm going to add more nitrogen to the soil. But today I added 2 squash plants here, and then I added a cucumber plant here. I know cucumbers climb, but it's a mini cucumber, so I'm hoping it's not going to be too bad. Then on this side, I added another cucumber plant right here, and then I added 3 cucumber plants right here. Right along the edge of this bed are all green beans, and then right along the edge of this bed, this L shape right here, or backwards L shape right here, are all green beans as well. I did add my I kept this bag in here right here with the water bucket in there, because once I pull those onions and those carrots are done, come June, I will be making all 3 of those buckets sweet potatoes. I would like to get a larger sweet potato harvest this year, so all 3 of those buckets will be sweet potatoes. I will probably, after I pull my corn, I'll probably sow, I'm not sure what I'll sow in here, but we'll see, because I think I planted quite a few determinate tomatoes this year, so I'll probably sow a few more tomatoes so that come July, I'm gonna say around July, once these are done, I could be planting more tomatoes in here to get them started, and have another round of tomatoes, and not necessarily bell peppers, because y'all, I'm still working on my dried bell peppers. So the best thing I've ever done was take my bell peppers and dehydrate them. And I still have 2 mason jars. I'm sorry, my nails are dirty. Been out here in the garden, but I still have 2 mason jars of bell peppers that I'm still working through. That's the best thing I've ever done, was dehydrate my bell peppers. And so I'm going to make sure that this year, although I'm going to freeze a lot of them, I'm also going to be dehydrating more, because it was, like I said, the best choice I've ever made. So that's basically all I wanted to say on that. But anywho, that's all I got for y'all today. I still got some pickles to put out, and I have a couple more buckets. So, I might end up putting my pickles in those other buckets right there that I have, and then actually pull them, because for me, I don't think, not pickles, cucumbers, y'all. But first of all, nobody eats cucumbers but me, but I wanted to make pickles. And so, to me, they are not going to eat them unless they're pickled. So I want to make cucumbers and relish for my family. So yeah, but anywho, that's all I wanted to show y'all today. I hope y'all have an amazing day, and I will see y'all in the next video.